Hi everyone, welcome to Miss O'Neill's math course in Canvas. I'm going to be showing you a video that is going to walk you through your second week's worth of modules. So if you go and click on your modules tab on the left hand side of your computer and you scroll down, we have our Monday's work assignment, which is currently what you're looking at right now, the directional video for week 2. If you were to click on that, it would give you the option of being able to open this video in another window. Once you're ready and have completed this video, you can click back on Canvas and click Next. Your first official assignment for this week is going to be on a discussion post, and the focus is going to be on submitting work. What does that actually mean in terms of our classroom? So if we are taking a moment, I've given you some questions to kind of guide you through this thinking process. How do you think that a student earns a 100% on their class assignments? What is it that they have to do? Does every question need to be answered before submitting an assignment? And must your work be correct at all times? One of the things that I've been noticing is, especially with the online and possibly coming back together in the classroom, I want to make sure that we understand each other and what it is that we're expecting for us to be able to get a passing grade in our math course. So take a moment to utilize this discussion post to really be able to describe to me what you feel submitting work looks like, so that way we can talk about any misconceptions, what it is that I'm expecting, and that we are all on the same page. So to do this assignment, you're going to first reply to this discussion post with what you believe is expected when an assignment must be handed in. What would a completed assignment look like to you? You're going to click on the reply section, and it's going to give you a text box that you can go and type. Once you have typed up your response, you're going to post reply. And if you look at your to-do list, there's a second portion for this discussion post. Once you've posted, you're going to see other students have posted their responses as well. They're all going to start to appear, and you are going to respond to at least one of your other classmates about similarities or differences you have in work submissions. Maybe they don't feel like every question needs to be correct. Maybe they prefer putting question marks onto questions that they don't know how to answer. Maybe they're an IDK kind of kid. You are going to discuss and bounce off of ideas in terms of each other. You only need to respond to one, but if you feel free to respond to others, I can throw on some extra credit points for you guys, okay? So this is your assignment for Wednesday. When it comes to Friday's check-in, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This is going to be our first lunch bunch session, and it's from 12:15 to 1. So on Friday, September 25th, from 12:15 to 1 o'clock, you are going to have an opportunity to join a lunch bunch session by clicking the link below. You're not seeing it right now because it's hidden. I don't want anyone else trying to join our lunch bunch session. That shouldn't be. It's going to be a video chat option that you guys get to have with your friends and view your classmates. And it's for all of my math groups. So it's not just specifically your class period. So you'll be able to see some of your friends, old and new, maybe make some new ones. I am going to be there just to facilitate, make sure that we're being appropriate, but this is completely a fun opportunity for you guys to reconnect with your friends and have an opportunity to just kind of relax and talk about how everything's going. You do not need to be eating during the session. I know it says lunch bunch, it's just the time frame that we're having it. I would also make sure that you do not have any liquid beverages, no juices or anything like that near your computers, because we don't want to be breaking things, okay? You can also have the opportunity to turn off your camera if you just want to be there to chat using your microphone or using the actual chat feature. All of those are things that you can take into account, okay? You also do not have to attend the entire time for the lunch bunch session, so if this time frame may not work for you specifically, you can join a little bit later, or you can leave a little early, okay? And so in this case, again, it's a choice activity. You do not have to attend the lunch bunch session if you do not want to, okay? So this is your module for this week. If you have any questions, please make sure that you are reaching out to me via text, call, or email, and I will help you in any way that I can. Have a great one.